Meaning of elegant.
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 Elegant. Elegant means tasteful, refined, and stylish in appearance or behavior. It often suggests simplicity, sophistication, and minimalism in design or fashion. An elegant solution is one that efficiently and effectively solves a problem or achieves a goal while maintaining a sense of aesthetic beauty and gracefulness. An elegant speech is one that is eloquent, well-composed, and persuasive in its delivery. In general, elegance is characterized by a combination of understated beauty, tasteful design, and effective functionality, resulting in a harmonious and pleasing overall effect.